Hello, everybody. So I am in a construction site right now in my neighborhood. Right there is where I just fell. Actually, right there on the rocks, that hurt. But we're gonna do some rock climbing today. I found a random water bottle. We put it in my pocket here. And let's go, guys! I want my money. Oh yeah, I have money out here these days. Alright. First things first, on that hill. I've been back here many times actually, guys. So yeah. So I was just doing this. I do not want to go up there. If you're wondering why, it's because here I'll show you before I go on that one. So yeah. If I fall, I'm screwed. And there'll be no help whatsoever. That is a ditch. Here, I'll show you. So, if I want to climb that, I'm not going back there. If I fall, I'll be down there. Like broken. By the way, this is where I found my water bottle. So you guys can probably hear. It's on here. Right there, but it's that road that we have to use. And so, if I want to climb that, I have to fall down there. Be careful. Watch where I'm going. Yeah, so. Okay, oh my god, guys! Water bottles! What the freak? I'll show you how bad this would be. We'll go on this side. I do not want to fall on there, so yeah. I think that just landed. I landed on a water bottle, guys. Alright, so I showed you that. Alright, so now I'm going on this. Sorry if you guys probably can't see. I don't know, because it's hard to see how I'm screaming. Oh. Oh! Yeah! It's dangerous up here. So yeah, that's my shadow. Been dropped. So, which way do you guys want me to go? Backwards? That way? Or that way? So let's just take a look. Whoa! Jeez! Oh my god! Just fell! Oh my god! Fell! Oh! I'm gonna say, wait, that way? Alright, I'm going that way. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my gosh, this is not going well, and I just got up here. Woo! Oh my god! Ow! Freaking butt! Oh, rocks in my shoe. It's gonna be all muddy. Yeah. So this is not good. Yeah, I'm gonna go on that now. I do not want to go down that way. Why did you guys tell me? You guys hate me, don't you? Huh? You guys hate me. Alright. I already tried coming up here. It's so scary. Oh yeah. Show you with this rock. Yeah. If I fall, I'll be like that. Just like that rock I showed you. I do not want to talk. I found it. Alright guys. I seriously just made it up here. All the way up. So, whoa. So, you can see I made it up. A freak! And by the way, if you guys didn't know, I'm afraid of heights. And I'm going on high things right here. So, yeah. That went down there. So, I know you guys hate that. You guys do not want me to go down there. So, I'm going to go down this. Right here. This way a little. This is scary, guys. If you ever lived in my neighborhood, I came down here. Sorry, that's a water bottle. It has ice. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, guys. I'm gonna ride down. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, that would be me if I fell. Oh, I'm going down. Slide! Woo! Look at that. Alright, guys, that was actually kind of fun. You guys want me to do it again? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, yeah, okay, I'll go back up. Oh, my God. Oh, that hurt. Ow! Got this giant rock here. Oh. By the way, guys, before my parents actually called me in, before I came back out, and guess what I found? I found sandstone. Oh, here we go. Yeah. You guys do not want me to go down, because that'd be treacherous. My socks are muddy. But that's the point of coming here, is getting all muddy. It's muddy here. Oh, guys.